so sweet, guy. You can come anytime. Oh, he dropped some bread. Silly birds. He dropped some bread. They're so hungry. They're so hungry. You want some bread? You want some bread? Okay. He's so friendly. He's so friendly. Show it to Daddy after that. They're very so sweet. Sticky. Did you fall? Do not let them fall. No, I already gave him bread already. I'll take the bread. I already gave him bread too. I keep holding it.